never got rated, even though they had amazing decorations. Another thing RobTop likes to do is uploading sneak peeks, and out of all the updates we definitely got the most for update 2.2. There are 3 supposed new main levels going to be added in this update, and one of these is Explorers, which we got a sneak peek about. Every sneak peek has been kept on RobTop's account, the latest 2.2 ones and some from other updates, except for this one. This was an unlisted level that had quickly been deleted by RobTop, since it wasn't meant to be leaked at all, but some people retrieved this level. It was named -008, the predecessor of the level Explorers. This is the recreated level, and when you first look at it, it basically looks like some crappy layout a 12-year-old made. But based on all the info we got, this is what Explorers used to look like. Still, this is really weird, since it doesn't even resemble the 2.2 level Explorers at all. However, instead of RobTop, let's focus on one of the most famous creators in the game as of right now, Xander Game. This guy created some masterpieces, with his latest one being White Space. On the surface, this looks like your standard incredible level, but once you dive a little deeper in it, you can discover a lot of secrets behind it. For the most interesting one, we need to take a look at the editor, specifically to this black box here. It looks like nothing, but when selecting it, you realize that there are over 1,000 objects in this box, and everything becomes clear when disabling preview mode. A QR code has just popped up, and when scanning it, it leads you to a Twitter page specifically made for this level. It talks about the background and lore behind the level, which is a pretty cool hidden secret. For the next one, we need to first go back 2 years ago. This was the time where GD Cullen, a famous YouTuber, released a level called Object IDs. This is a level where all 1911 objects in the game were representing their IDs, but one specifically weirded me out when I noticed it. Object ID 34 contains the object start position, which you can use to start in a random spot in a level. But when looking at another object with ID 31, it contains the exact same start position object. Little did you guys know, this one is an imposter. The start position looks like it is the same, but in order to know what is going on, we need to travel all the way back to the first update. If you check out update 1.0, the date this object got released, you actually see something completely different. Instead of it saying start pass, it now says level end. It didn't really do anything at all, but it's